Hey everyone, this is Learning Target 1. I can complete a portion web. So I know it's not a web, but even though it's a table, it's still the same information, just organized differently. So if we want to go from a fraction to a decimal, remember we can do long division. So I can put the 1 inside the house and the 5 outside. And if I was to do that, I would get 0.2, so that would go here. Or if I want to go straight from a fraction to a percent, remember percents are always out of 100. So I could figure out that 5 times 20 is 100, and because we want to use our giant 1, if I do 20 on the bottom, I do 20 on top. So 1 times 20 is 20, and because it's 20 out of 100, that's going to be 20%. Okay, so on this one, if I want to go from a decimal to a fraction, remember I just say this decimal out loud the correct way, and that'll tell me my fraction. So this is 21 hundredths, because remember it goes tenths, hundredths, so that means it's going to be 21 over 100. And then same idea as up here, if I have 21 out of 100, that's going to be 21%. So down here, going from a percent to a decimal, remember the decimal starts right here, and I want to move it 2 places to the left. So move it over 2, and so my decimal would be 0.32. Or 32 hundredths, that's how I know this would be 32 over 100. Or we know that 32% always means 32 out of 100, so that's why we got that fraction.